every single day.
We had to get out of bed, guys. It's now minutes to 9, but mom came home like around 2 and said that grandma got treated and she's home now. So I'm thinking I want to go down south today and check everyone out to make sure everyone's good, check on the baby, and then I'll come back this evening. Breakfast time, breakfast time, breakfast time. Hi, squishy baby. Hi, squishy baby. Every morning too. Baby, my squishy. Okay, so I'm leaving home all alone because everybody's got their own agenda, man. And Bro's gonna hang out with some friends today, so he's out of the picture. And mom and dad gonna do their stuff home. I got stuff here for Sissy and grandma. I honestly just want to be there for sis right now because she's going through really hard times. Having a baby is like a seriously big deal, and there is no way to be ready to have a baby. And you're kind of just thrown into it because everybody has their own different experiences and everybody has their own different opinions and advice, and it's kind of really stressful. So I'm just gonna try to be as supportive as possible with her today, and I'll spend most of the day with her in South, and then I'll head back down because I have some sessions this evening. Breastfeeding is the most important part of a baby's journey because of common issues like with latching techniques not being properly done and not understanding the baby's calls and cries and not knowing what the baby needs at that point, because honestly it's so much work. And if you don't latch that baby on as soon as birth happens, it's gonna cause a lot of complications later on. And stop dropping this off for grandma. Okay guys, so I'm by sis and I'm just wiping up everything and making sure the place is clean, sweeping up and wiping down and isoling everything, cleaning up. Help sis out in any way I can. She's upstairs breastfeeding. Being a mother is a job in itself. So I uploaded my vlog from today. It's on YouTube and Facebook. Christmas catastrophe, man. Check it out. I'm here with baby boy. Alrighty guys, I'm now gonna head home. That was a bump. Now leaving Sissy, spend some quality time with her and the baby boy. And I'm actually going to Tobago soon, so I gotta pack, and I did not pack it for Tobago. Then I'm gonna head to my exercise session and also some $50 body composition assessments or something. So, yep. So I'm home now. I'm gonna have some chocolate madness with some nuts and raisins, and then I'm gonna head to Monroe. I'm gonna head down now to exercise and do this $50 special thing. So I'm already dressed in my exercise outfit. Got my stuff right there, and I packed a peanut butter and oat muffin to eat for later with some nuts. Yay! Heading home, guys. Just finished my exercise session and we also made a parfait. I'm completely tired. I'm home, really exhausted. It's now, what's the time? 9:24. Yeah. So I'm gonna have some nuts and raisins. Had a lot of chocolate today, so I'm not gonna do that again. And I have to pack for Tobago, because we're going to Tobago. Whoop-de-doo, yay! And I also have to type up the 2 sessions I had today, which was the body composition assessment sessions. So yep. I'll see you guys later tomorrow. Bye. Sleep well.